Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of Assassin's Creed 3 Free Roaming Killing. And let's get on. If you haven't seen part 1, I suggest you go to part 1, because we've been fighting the whole part 1. But after I'm done with these guys, I will start free roaming. But they will recognize your face, so I'll have to run and fight a couple times. So, yeah. Don't have this game, I suggest you get it. And holy fudge, that horse wants to die. If you take a good look, that's a lot of people that I'm fighting, but I fought more before. What? 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 Okay, that was just stupid. Okay, since I died, we're going to start free roaming. Who likes free roaming? I do. Next episode, I'll probably do one mission, or just post in the comments if you want me to do this mission where I'm with Haytham, or just post. I'm just going to do this one mission, unless you guys want me. The highest I'm going for the video is 3 missions with Connor. And in a couple days I'll probably restart on a new place, on a new world, so I can show you guys the missions. This game is pretty hard, pretty easy. Medium. What we basically did last episode was fight. Tried to free roam, but apparently the guards didn't want me to. This game is a good game. If you have a mom that will let you play Rated M games or T or whatever this is, then yeah. And these guys are one of the hardest, so I'm just gonna hurry and do that. Well, let's go. And this is how I'm gonna lose the guards. Just jump in the hay bale. See? They don't know where I am, because they're stupid. Some of the guards are smart, some of the guards are stupid. See? They are all stupid. So, as you can see, I stole one of Brute's axe, and I showed you what a brute is the last episode. So you might want to go check that one out if you ever find my channel. Probably won't, because I don't upload a lot. And I probably don't know how to publish it, so sorry. Yeah. Nothing going on here. Hope you guys are having a good time. July 22nd. Favorite number 22. So I'm glad I uploaded these videos today, because it's the 22nd and my favorite number is 22. If you know you always win, that's why I got my favorite number 22. Is me liking 22. Yeah. If you don't know them, I suggest you go see their channel. They have good zombies off of Call of Duty. They have Minecraft, but they don't have this. There's the assassination with the 2 hidden blades on 2 people. Well, I'm gonna run because I don't want to do a lot of fighting this episode, because we did a lot of fighting last episode, and yes, your guy will fall off buildings if you get shot like that. If it shows those red dots above people, that means you should kill him. And that... Hold on. That guy is a brute. So if you didn't see my last episode, that's what a brute is. The one with the giant axe. Which I have. See? Hold on. Okay. And then it shows that... Hold on. My dog just came in. I'll be right back. Okay, he just left. My dog's name is Charlie, if you want to know. He's a cute dog, but he's mean as well. He left me a couple scars on my body, and it really hurts bad. That's, if they get a hold of you like that, just keep on clicking X, and then you'll get out. Well, I got hit then. And if you hit Y with this is what it does. I'll be right back. Sorry guys, everybody's making noise. Thought my mom just got home, so... Hi there, have some.
I've got to go down to my mouth.
Guys, I'll be right back with part 3. Thanks for watching. Please comment, subscribe, like, and see you on the next video.